Sure, got another Amazon package. This is my CPU. I paid $10 shipping because I wanted to get it within like one day. So did the fast shipping. So it's called the rush shipping actually though. So I'm unboxing the processor right now. Paid $211 on this on Black Friday deals. It came way earlier than I expected it to be. But despite that, it came in good condition. Looks like it. Looks like I got the model. So, let's unbox it. It looks sealed. Yeah, it's in definitely good condition. Like, I am impressed. It literally came like 5 a.m. And my parents had to get it because I was asleep. Or my other family members. I'm usually not awake around 5 a.m. But that's about that I got it. Don't really want to break this package. Like, I really don't. I like the package. So I can keep in the box. Look at that. It is authentic Intel Gen CPU. I got it in very good condition. Yeah, that's it. Got a good deal on this, and I can use this to power up my computer. I got the 12700K. It made no sense to get the 13700K. It was like expensive, not much better. So I got the sticker and stuff. It is all authentic. Yeah, thanks for watching.